everyone. My name is Siddha, and today I'll be talking a little bit about deep learning on mobile. And this is the Embedded Vision Summit 2020. So, before we begin, let's try to think of some motivation of why deep learning on mobile is important and why it is relevant in the market.
I'm Emily Chang. This is Bloomberg Technology from San Francisco. In a moment, we'll be talking to Techonomy CEO David Kirkpatrick about the social media phenomenon sweeping the vegan meat industry. But first, we have seafood founder and CEO Jin Yang. Sorry, Mr. Jin, Mr. Yang?
It's Mr. Jin Yang.
Okay. Mr. Jin Yang, you just sold your company Seafood to Periscope, and we're hearing the deal closed at over $15 million. Can you confirm?
I am a very rich.
My sources at Periscope tell me the tech is quite impressive, and your app uses the same machine learning to recognize if a food is a hot dog?
And a not hot dog. It's very important. It's a hot dog, not hot dog. It's technology.
Excited to see it in the App Store. I'm told it's releasing today.
For free? Because I'm rich.
Maybe after this presentation, you all can also develop a similar application, make a killer deep learning application and be rich like Jin Yang, or if you are already, good job. And so that is why today we will be talking about deep learning on mobile so you all can build the next killer deep learning application. Cumulatively, my co-authors, Meher, Anirudh, and I have approximately 2 decades of industry experience in artificial intelligence and mobile, from research to production. And our goal here today is to have a discussion around how we can build deep learning applications for mobile devices and to convince everyone that this, in fact, is not hard at all. I'll be using very practical approach throughout this talk to enable development of these deep learning applications.